Hello guys, and today welcome back to my channel. And today I do the live stream on the London section, just to focus at the chart on the gold. Today this is gone moonlight very good one. I'm just made the trade around in the morning, and this is the reason why I'm just looking for the chart. The reason I'm not execute a trade around here because I don't have a plan, and also like it's just like a forward test. There's no such an entry for my setup, but at least I learned some things about this one. It's just based on the market structure, very clear. I'm just with this trade. Today, based on the London section, is currently I don't have like any trades set up so far, so good. Yeah, I don't have like any trade. Asian section have a good one. Yeah, the line right here is the previous daily high, and this is actually the high from the previous one, and it just have a very big London Asian section open, and the trade run back down to the level of the previous $4,006, and then run up. I want to catch a trade right there. It just I forward slide a 1-to-1 ritual. I forward the 1-to-1 ritual, but the thing is, we don't. I'm take the real trade. Yeah, maybe I check around this level for the trade, but at least I don't check this one. Feel like a little more formal. Yes, exactly. I feel formal, but especially I don't feel like that. This is just that I don't force any trade. I think forcing trade is more. I think forcing trade is much more painful compared to missing a trade. Missing a trade, I don't lose anything. I can journal the trade for free. That is the mindset that I need to. I want to share to kind of share with you guys for some trading activity that you can have. It's called the trade run back down. It's just in the sideways range. I don't have any guy manage trade execution. At least the trade can run into the level 4,006 and $24 per trade. If anyone want to execute a trade, maybe you can execute a trade around this one. It's just like my opinion, because the trade have a liquidity sweep for the previous London low, and maybe the trade can run like this one at least for we have the instant reaction. Yeah, maybe this is just like the trade that I want to share on based on my model. It's just on the it have a quick reaction with the M5 FVG and have a quick reaction. We can check on to the more lower time frame. If any, yeah, this is a quick reaction based on the trade, but anyone want to try at in this level is much more quality and more safer, but this is gave me the high risk reward. It's just based on the projection. This and called a CISD, a chain in the delivery in order to trade, and the trade currently have a very good reaction. Yeah, just have a very good reaction. The thing is, you can trade 1-to-1 risk reward based on the sideways range. You don't need to execute more. Don't need to execute more. This is just a simple trade. Don't feel like you need to risk anything. It's like 1-to-1, 1-to-2, or even 1-to-3. Wow, this is solid trade. This is very good trade so far. We up around 500 $5. $5. If anyone trade one lot, this is $500. Clean trade. Even no drawdown currently. The price reaction is just have a quick reaction. It have like a small, a minor favorable gap in the bearish side. But at least we trust the plan. If anything's close below this level, we lose. But at what currently we have in the profit, just be positive on with the process and the strategy. It's pretty good one. Still a pretty good one. If this candle just close bullish, another candle is a good sign to keep continue to move. One thing to consider is maybe the trade can run based on the previous a 15-minute candle with the bearish move. If it not, this candle can just sideways around 15 minutes next and be closed in the bullish one with a 15-minute time frame. This is a good one. This is a good one. It's currently in a very sideways range. I don't try this candle. This candle is just like a risk that I consider. I try based on this candle. Yes, this candle is up around more than we can I can more than one 10 price. That's a good one. Mm, that's a good one. That's a good one. Just this candle can close. If this candle can close bullish, this a good one. This is a good one. I can see that the trade can run, for example, like risk 10 price. I expect it to run just one-to-one retrieval. In order we can close the partial trade. If anyone execute a trade, can close partial trade, just a one-to-one retrieval. The reason because um, we execute based on the strong reaction. Ah, For anyone should they try, just set break even. Just set break even. There is no things more to I have profit, and just set break even. Don't let the profit turn into a loss. Just set break even because now the trade have a quick reaction. Have a strong reaction based on this 5 minute candle. The next one is just have a sign of follow up, but it's just not. It just have manipulated the high and then continue to run down. It just set break even. Don't need to change the price. If the trade is green, it can run very fast based on the move. Yeah, it can see like this one. But when the trade close the bearish, like doji bearish, this is not a good sign for the trade continue to go up. Now it just run back into the bullish one. We set break even. I feel free. No more, no less than this one. Just let the market run. Lastly, I have a bunch of just the trade based on the last Friday. This is so a messy, tough day. This just based on because I am the person who take that kind of setup. No one more. So we need to have responsible for the unfavorable result. Hmm. This is not a good one, candle, but this is still a good one if the trade just run down. I'm so okay to say that. Oh, okay, I'm close the trade with break even. Or the trade can break this one. I think this is, can go very high. Can break the high. The doji candle just not mean the reversal pattern. It's just like the show of the sideways indecisive between seller and buyer. Just wait. Well, we have a bearish bullish move and a bullish move. The reason why I can say that because the reason I need to close the trade at break even when the price is not falling up because when the trade came back from bullish into the bearish based on the price action right there. If I just hope the trade can run, the trade can come to the wick up and then close bearish move because it's currently that you can see that the trade can in the process of become transferring into the bearish candlestick, and there's no reason to hold the trade at this one because we just trade the momentum. Don't fight it. Fight what is the trade is currently doing. Just trade that. That's more important. Set break even. Break even. You in break even? Well, man. Hmm. Check the 1 hour 1 minute time frame. We still not very, but I like the candle like this one. It can continue to go up. The thing, the worst scenario is it just tap into the break even zone and then run. This is the whole thing that I want. I don't want the things to happen to anyone as a trader. Well, it's a good one. This is a good reaction. This is a good reaction. Mm. It shows some very positive signal. Very good signal. Just wait me for a while. This the candle close, very indecisive. Mm. We're still in the try, but it's currently like a pretty good correction for bullish one. It just have a weak up, and let's see. Break even is a very good one because this is the open of the trade. The price, whatever it can manipulate, it's maybe it can have a weak there around the 0.50% of the previous 15-minute candle and then continue to run up. It's currently not a run up rather than just tap into the close the open of the rejection candle and then run. For the price and right here, I don't have like predict for anything. I'm just trying based on the reaction of the price. No prediction. No prediction. Yeah, we can kind of have the break even and the trade can manipulate the previous low and then run up. So we break even right now. I think we can get even right now. This can manipulate the low of the previous 15-minute candle and then run up. For example, like we don't trade very so far, but we can see that every single candle before the actual move can manipulate sometimes. We break even right now. Break even right now. So we I focus on the tab again. Yes, the reason because I said even because I want the trade run immediately. It's not based on the sideway and ranging. It's currently that you turn profit into the break drawdown right now. Yes, I think the best thing you can lose is to lose the fee for open the trade. And because I don't know that exactly where the trade can run, whether trade can run into profit or not. It's not. Uh, if the this value gap is just the horn on this 5 minute time frame, uh, I can use the long bias. But if practice one, I don't think that the long bias is more important. Yeah. And the key zone I want to look at is this level. I'm break even right now. Clarify. Hmm. Market is just current sideways around the level that execution. Yes, the trade can run when hit my break even. This is just one probability, and another probability is the trade can go back down, uh, even hit my stop loss before anything can run. This is much more painful compared to like the break even right there because the trade can run back. But if we have like some very strong execution model, but at least it's generally sideways into this one, there's no probability. Set a good mindset for this one. Be calm. For a trade can run back into this CISC level, we can expect to execute back into a trade. Yeah, yeah, maybe we just trades based on a small stop loss, for example. Mm, what? Oh, em mới thấy. Market is just run down. Yeah, I expect that the price can swift this one and then run. Let them get for more on those trade. Wow, this is a very messy candle right there. Practice with the previous low and then run. Anyone can place a try again on this level. I think this is more such a more good try so far. If this if anyone try momentum, break below this one, break below the fair value gap right there, we can close the trade. Yes, we can close the trade. And messy passion curly. Hmm. I think break even is a good decision because it's not about making or not making money. It's about the psychological suffering during the trade. Just let the market run. I'm just focused on 2023. This now is not what I'm just doing. I don't trade basis formal. Took a trade, I see the price, can see the this reaction. In the 5 minute time frame, it's very good pricing for continuity trade. But in the 15 minute time frame, it does not show the same things. It's just so massive pricing that the trade can continue to go back down is much more probable is a high more probability to execute a trade. Yeah, I can see that. The reason I'm choosing still because currently break the FVG on the 15-minute time frame, on the 5-minute time frame. I don't want to execute more about the trade right there. Yeah, I can close the market, close the trade below this one. We have fair value gap. We just need to close about this one. Sweep, just sweep, just sweep. À, sao? Ủa, phức tạp vãi cái mùi á. Rồi cái mất tiền. Em nhí quá. À, anh biết cái đó. That's a good one. I'm just forward to try. That's a good model. Wow. Now just have one break even. The tray can run to this one and we close 70% upon the tray. Target can be for this one, but currently up very good one. Yeah, just currently expect the price to move. No. Pretty good one. Very good try. Yes. Thank you so much for teaser duck eggs. This quick one. So it's called a like I need we done the try. So right here, it's just like a formal try. The reason why I execute a try because we use the same key level, and the trade is not break down below this one, but it just sweep the previous low and then come back with a very good rejection candle. And the reason I execute this trade based on the execution model, this is around 1 to 2 ritual, and I execute this trade because we have the invert fair value gap, we have the liquidity sweep right there, we have the higher time frame key level, and then with the CISD for the entry. That's it. This is the for the whole mode. This one, maybe I don't have like the try to reach out to this level. We just need to take out full based on the target. Take 80% off, and then let the 20% off with the break even right there. The whole target like this one, yeah. Running on the trade from here to here maybe can be stress for you, but if anyone can, this is a good one, a good recommendation. But for myself, take 80% off right here and 20% let for run. Yes, feel a little formal because I don't execute this trade in my account. It's just a very clean trade. No, this is what it is. Just don't take don't make some false trade, and this is a good one. And now, thank you, you guys, and see you tomorrow.